We've got some great membership updates to share with you guys. So, membership is now allowing both coupons and it's multilingual. So, why it matters and how this helps you. This is going to help you boost revenue by attracting new membership customers. Discounts encourage signups for a more engaged community, and you can now connect with a diverse multilingual audience. So let's first talk about those coupons. So you're going to access those coupons under memberships and then under offers. You can now allow checkout to accept coupons. And to create coupons, you're going to access those coupons and simply create that coupon. There is now an area for coupons within the checkout because you enabled coupons. Now, the next thing we need to talk about is selecting that preferred language. Guys, this is amazing. We can now select our preferred language for our audience. These are great features that are really going to enhance the membership opportunity that your business has within our CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.